In this tutorial, I will review Sweet Restore Glycogen Support and find out if it's legit or just another scam. Sweet Restore claims to support healthy glycogen levels, improve energy production, and aid muscle recovery after exercise. Its formula includes B vitamins, magnesium, L-carnitine, and herbal blends known for metabolic support. Some users say they feel less fatigued and recover faster after workouts. Others don't notice much difference, especially when diet and hydration are already on track. Results vary depending on lifestyle, activity level, and individual body chemistry. While the ingredients are generally safe and commonly found in energy supplements, Sweet Restore is not a replacement for proper nutrition or medical treatment. If you're active and looking for light glycogen and energy support, it may be worth a try. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.